Nan, Babo Kabalen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie.
My name is Marco Nanan of We're in Pampanga, where we discover great places for you to check out.
Today, nandito tayo ngayon sa Marquee Mall, 3rd floor, and we are going to show you guys the complete procedure kung paano mag-enroll sa isang driving school.
Or sa mga kumukuha ng driver's license for student and for renewal.
Exactly. So today, nandito tayo sa Precision Driving School. This is located sa 3rd floor ng Marquee Mall. Actually, katabing-katabi niya yung LTO.
Yes.
And they just recently opened, surprisingly. So dito guys, tignan nyo. Ang konti lang.
Napakaluwag.
Napakaluwang. So they can actually help you process your license, either a student or renewal. If you want to know more about this, guys, samahan nyo po kami dito sa video na to.
So tara, let's go!
Okay, so getting inside the office, this is it, guys. They just recently opened. Ayan. So later on, we're gonna speak with the other staff here because I think this is their 5th branch and first time niyang lumabas sa NCR because the main branch nito is from NCR nga. Usapin natin si Ma'am Carissa para malaman natin yung buong detalye on how to apply for or enroll for a renewal or a new student permit. So tara! Ayun, ma'am, good morning po. Pag-inquire po sana ako kung paano yung renewal. So since meron na po kong existing license. And then sa mga viewers naman natin na wala pang, mag-apply pa lang ng student license. Paano po ba yung procedure?
Okay. Bali for renewal, bali ngayon kasi wala pa tayong practical for that. So yung mangyayari, parang yung old process pa din siya. Kailangan medical, and then yung renewal, yun pa din siya, old process siya.
I see.
Pero yung sa ano ngayon kasi sir, for student permit,
Yes.
kailangan natin mag-undergo muna ng 15 hours theoretical driving course. Bali yung seminar namin is 3 days siya. And after nun, issuehan namin kayo ng certificate, and then yung medical dito din sa amin. And then yung maganda kasi dito katabi namin yung LTO.
Yes.
So yung process mas mapapadali.
So just to clarify, so yung renewal pala natin is the same method or the process yung existing. However, yung mga bagong kukuha ng student permit ngayon, they have to go yung driving school, may theoretical, may practical. I see. So ano po ba yung mga requirements for the student permit?
Student permit, ang kailangan ng LTO is yung certificate na galing sa amin once na natapos mo na yung seminar, and then yung PSA and medical.
Yes.
So yun siya, once na nakuha mo yung student permit mo, for processing of non-pro naman, kailangan mo mag-undergo ng practical driving course. So yung rates namin doon, for manual, nag-rate siya ng 4,000 to 9,000. So depende kasi yun meron tayong refresher, meron tayong beginner, meron din tayo yung mga, as in wala talaga silang alam.
Zero knowledge
Zero
talaga
knowledge.
sa...
So, kailangan nila mag-undergo ng 20 hours na practical. Pero for the refresher, mga 4,400. For automatic naman, 6,000 to 14,000 siya.
So, ma'am, most of the kukuha ng mga new license are gumagamit ng motorcycle. Kasi yun talaga yung ang dami po ng mga motorcycles ngayon. So, paano naman po ba yung
Bali,
application
meron
doon?
din kaming motorcycle. Yung kailangan lang naman namin, practical for motorcycle is yung student permit. Once naman na may student permit na kayo, pwede na kayong mag-apply for practical driving course. Depende yun sa restriction na kukuhanin nyo for the non-pro. Ngayon, meron kaming promo, voucher worth 500 hanggang February 28. So, lahat ng mga rates namin dito, magmaminus siya ng 500 pesos hanggang February 20. So, mas maganda kung mag-enroll na sila para ma-avail nila yung voucher natin na 500.
Right, so dito nga sa Precision Driving School, this is a one-stop shop for your license requirements. So the first, again, meron tayong driving school. Katabi lang niya yung LTO, which is it's gonna be faster transaction. And at the same time, meron tayong mga ibang institutions dito like yung Next Care Medical Clinic. At the same time, meron tayong insurance. Sir, ano po ba yung benefit ng pag-apply sa isang driving school?
Ay, napakalaking benefit yan sa bayan natin. Una-una dito, may enhance sila kung paano sila ang tamang pagmamaneho, matutunan nila ang how to be a defensive driver para maiwasan yan ang mga aksidente sa daan. Napakalaking abala kasi sa daan yung mga aksidente nangyayari. At least dito, maiwasan natin yan. Dito sa Precision Driving School, nagkakanda kami ng theoretical driving school, which is 15 hours. Doon natin maipapaliwanag sa mga nag-enroll dito. Tinuturo namin sa kanila mga rules and traffic regulations kung paano gumamit sa ating kalsada.
Po si JB, isang instructor dito kay Precision Driving School. Nag-start po si Precision last year, February 2020. Meron tayong 5 branch as of now sa Rancho, sa Katipunan, and sa Kogyo, and sa Masinag branch. Etong Marquee Mall, ito ang ating 5th branch na nag-open this February 2021, and soon mag-open din po tayo sa Taytay branch. We are located here at Marquee Mall, 3rd floor. Besides LTO, we are open around 9 o'clock in the morning and close at 6 o'clock in the evening. Pwede kayong kumuha sa amin ng theoretical driving course. Ang schedule po natin ng theoretical is every Tuesday and Wednesday, and Friday, Saturdays, 9 o'clock to 6 o'clock din. And we also have practical driving course para naman makakuha kayo ng certificate to apply for non-professional driver's license.
Alright, so yun guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you are looking for a place to enroll kapag kukuha po tayo ng student permit for driving, and at the same time renewal for your existing driver's permit, dito po tayo sa Precision Driving School. They can assist you actually. So we can't emphasize enough yung importance po ng pag-enroll ngayon sa mga theoretical at saka practical sa mga driving school na to.
Para our own safety, at
Yes.
the same time, yung pagiging discipline natin sa daan.
Exactly.
Ayan.
Alright, so there you have it guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Share it with your friends. Tag nyo yung kaibigan mo na nangangailangan ng driving school para
Yeah.
makakuha ng lisensya.
So that's it. Thank you for watching. We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out guys. Bye.